Okay, my love, here we go. All right, so the question reads, Gemma is planning an obstacle course. Because of the terrain, the obstacle course must follow the path of a triangle. So let's just draw a triangle, okay? All right, A, B, C are the points of the triangle. All right, Gemma laid out the course on a Cartesian coordinate system where each unit was 1 yard, okay? Now, a coordinate system simply means it's a graph and you have points on the graph that are either positive, 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 negative, 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 or negative, positive. That's what these four different quadrants look like on a graph or a grid. All right, so let's just take the information we need first. All right, the vertices of the triangle, which are the corners, or the points of the corner. Point A is 3118. Point B is 1626. And point C is 3146. All right, now that would be each of the points, okay? Next it says if the distance from C to A, so line CA is 28 yards, and the distance of line AB is 17 yards, then how long is the obstacle course? That means you need the total length of the obstacle course. All right. We have, let's say, this is point A, this is point B, and this is point C. All right, line CA is 28 yards, okay? Line AB is 17. All right, in order to solve this problem, we need to find out what this line is, then we need to add all three up. Okay? When you are looking at your coordinates, 3118, 1626, and 3146, they go in this order. The x value is the first value, and the y value is the second value. All right, the reason I said this was a little complicated is because there's a formula that you have to follow in order to get the distance, and that's what we're looking for. We need the distance for this line right here, which is line CB. That's what we need the distance for. Now, here's how you find that. The distance is equal to the square root of y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared. All right, so we're going to pick our first 2 points. Remember, your y is this column, and we need line CB. So we're going to focus on these 2 sets of coordinates right here. All right, y2 would be 46 minus 26. This minus that. All right, squared plus 31 minus 16 squared. Okay. Now, after you get those numbers, we have to subtract. 46 minus 26 is 20 squared plus 31 minus 16 is 15 squared. Okay? All right, 15 squared. Now, if you get your calculator out at this time, 20 times 20, that's 20 squared, is 400. 15 times 15, that's 15 squared, is 225. Now we add those together, and we get the number 625. But if you remember up at the top, we need the square root of the whole thing. So we're going to get the square root of the total number, and the square root of 625 is 25. Okay? Now, you can use a calculator on this test, so use your calculator to find the square root of 625. And if you were to go back and multiply 25 times 25, you would get 625. Okay? All right. Now, we know the answer to this problem is 25. 25 is the number that's going to go right here on this line. Now we need the total distance of the obstacle course. So we're going to take 28 plus 17 plus 25. All right, 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 5 more is 20. Carry the 2, 2, 4, 6, and 1 more is 7. Your answer for this problem is D. Your total distance is 70. I hope this helps. Love you.